Rockets are launched into space through a carefully orchestrated process that involves several key steps and a lot of engineering and technology. Here is a simplified overview of how rockets are launched. Rocket design and construction. Rockets are designed to withstand the extreme conditions of space and the forces of launch. They are typically made up of multiple stages, each with its own engines and fuel. Payload integration. The payload, which could be a satellite, spacecraft, or other cargo, is integrated into the rocket's payload fairing, or payload bay. Fueling. The rocket's fuel tanks are filled with the appropriate propellants. Rockets can use various types of fuel, including liquid fuels, e.g., liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen, or solid fuels, e.g., solid rocket boosters. Countdown. A detailed pre-launch checklist is followed during the countdown. This includes system checks, safety procedures, and coordination with mission control. The countdown may take several hours and includes hold points to address any last-minute issues. Ignition. At liftoff, the rocket's engines are ignited. The solid rocket boosters, if used, provide additional thrust during the initial phase. The rocket accelerates upward, overcoming Earth's gravitational pull. Staging. Many rockets are multi-stage vehicles. As each stage depletes its fuel, it is jettisoned, and the next stage ignites. This process is known as staging, and allows the rocket to achieve higher velocities and reach orbit. Trajectory control. Guidance systems on board the rocket continuously adjust the trajectory to ensure it follows the planned flight path. Corrections are made to account for variables such as wind, atmospheric conditions, and the desired orbit. Payload deployment. Once the rocket reaches its intended orbit or destination, the payload is deployed. For satellites or spacecraft, this may involve a series of maneuvers to achieve the desired orbital parameters. Re-entry and recovery, if applicable. In some cases, rocket stages or capsules return to Earth, and they may need to be recovered. This can involve controlled re-entry and parachute deployment for a soft landing. Mission control. Throughout the launch and mission, a team of engineers and experts at mission control monitors and guides the mission, making real-time decisions as necessary to ensure success.